Hey guys, welcome. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. And if you've been here before, thank you for stopping by again. Welcome back. Today, I just want to go through one of my quick dinner ideas that I like to do when I come home and I'm tired and I don't want to cook, anything too intricate or, too time consuming. So, I normally get something usually frozen, like a frozen pasta, and I'm gonna show you the one that I'm using today. So I'm boiling some rana pasta, hopefully you can see that, and it's a family size bag. This one is chicken mozzarella tortellinis, and so they come with cheese and chicken aside. Okay, this is what they look like. Alright, that's what they look like. So these are already boiled. I had them in the freezer, so I let them boil about 10 more extra minutes than what the directions say. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be draining them. I'm going to add some cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. And I'm going to add butter. I almost forgot. Let me get the butter. Just to make like a creamy consistency of a cheese. And give me a second, guys. Let me see. Hopefully I do have butter because I haven't bought butter in a very long time. I have a piece right here. Oh, I just have a tiny little piece. Yeah, I have no butter. Just realized I haven't bought butter in so long. Alright. So, just got a tiny bit here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain this, but I'm not going to get rid, excuse me, of all of the water. I'm not going to get rid of all of the liquid. I'm going to leave some in there. So when I put in the butter, it'll get a creamy consistency. So let me just get rid of this. Okay. And I'll be back. Okay, so I left some water in here. Not much, maybe about 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to add a little bit of butter that I have. Don't have much, but it'll have to do for right now. But you don't need that much butter. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Okay. I'm gonna stir that in there so the butter can melt in there. Now, I've tried this before with the sausage pasta, because it's the same brand, but it comes with sausage in it and cheese, and it's very good. This is the first time I'm having, I believe this is the first time I'm having the chicken. But this is what I like to do, come home, make a very fast supper. Okay, you don't have to stress it. You're tired. You don't want to deal with a whole lot of cooking, so this is what you do. Then you're going to get some cheese. And pour some cheese in there. Again, you're going to use whatever cheese it is that you like. Okay. A bit more. And before I forget, I also like to use seasonings in here. Okay, so I like to add a little bit of, I have garlic and herb seasoning. Okay, we want to add oregano, ground black pepper, ground onion, powdered garlic. Okay, so that was powdered garlic. I'm going to add a little bit of powdered onion. You want to add paprika. Okay, whatever seasonings it is that you like. Okay, you can go ahead and add those. And stir this very carefully because the tortellinis will open up on you. And then the filling will be all inside the pan instead of inside the pasta. Okay, so now you've flavored your pasta. Alrighty. You know, I forgot that I had cilantro leaves. I have to think about what I'm going to use this in. Most likely it's just going to be for color, you know, for presentation, just to see the green specks. But, okay, and I just got that last week. Okay, I have to figure out what I'm going to use it in. Alright. Okay. And it doesn't get any easier than this. Alright. And the family size bag, I'm sure feeds at least 4 to 6 people, just as a side dish maybe, or as the main dish with something else on the side. Alright. Okay, that's what that looks like. Okay, how easy was that? Nice, quick, simple, fast. You can't ask for anything more on a weeknight. All right. Okay, guys, thanks for stopping by.